All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're doing Walter's fourth box in this case. 2015 Topps Jumbo. Jumbo. Good luck, man. You know, to be honest, Howard, I think I'd rather have Select. So at least you get black prisms. Eli Manning, Peyton Manning, Matt Stafford, Ryan Tannehill, Tate, Rodgers, Matt Jones, a variation. Tannehill and Dickerson. Best quarterback in the world, Derek Carr. Oh no, Eli. TJ Yeldon, 2015. Steve Young, Eddie Lacy, Drew Brees, AJ Green, Romo, Gates, and Alshon Jeffrey. Matt Jones, third rounder. He can't be good if he doesn't have a quarterback throwing to him. Roger Staubach, Colin Kaepernick, Eli Manning, Vincent Jackson, Calvin Benjamin, and Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. Tyler Lockett. Marshall Faulk, David Cobb. Tyrod Taylor. What about Michael Vick? Michael Vick, man, all you need is Ben Roethlisberger to get hurt. Boom, Michael Vick back in. Andrus Piotz, 2015. Gronkowski, Manning, Luck, Miller, Drew Brees, Peterson, Black. Right? What is that? Variation? Peterson? Might be variation. Just see what the base looks like. Should be variation, Peterson. And red, Roger Carr for the Colts wide receiver. I think it's a bad picture when you're a wide receiver and you're pictured on the sidelines with a jacket on. Might be a bad decision there. Drew Brees, Alfred Morris. That's what I was gonna say, that Sanders, but I was like, I'm on camera. Oh, now Beckham, and it's been recorded. 2015. Let's see, is it jersey number? 544. It is not. Forte, Trey Mason, Roethlisberger, Jeremy Hill, Jimmy Graham, and Mark Sanchez. Eagles. That is number 29 of 499. Gronkowski and Devontae Parker. Rip the card on Cam. Which one? The Obama one? Which one? What are you talking about? Sanchez? LaDainian Tomlinson? Dez Bryant? Matt Ryan? Antoine Bolden? Julio? And Joe Thomas All-Pro. 33 of 60. All-Pro tackle. Joe Thomas. 2 silvers, Melvin Gordon and Clay Matthews. Curtis Martin, Amari Cooper, Eli, DeMarco Murray, Ryan Tannehill, and black stamped Willie Harper. Black stamped Willie. Dorial Green Beckham and Bo. Paul Hornung, Aaron Rodgers, Ryan Tannehill, Randall Cobb, Eddie Lacy, and number to 250, Carlos Williams for the Bills. Running back for the Bills, 52 of 250. Tyler Lockett, Gale Sayers, silvers. J.J. Swat, Jordy Nelson, Odell Beckham, Phillip Rivers, LaShawn McCoy, Eddie Lacy, and passionate 2-color Duke Johnson. Duke Johnson. Silvers, Arian Foster, and Odell Beckham. Lorenzo Taliaferro to 2015. Steve Largent, AJ Green, Tom Brady, Sean Jackson, Sammy Watkins, Aaron Rodgers camo. 236 of 399. Rodgers camo. And your silvers, LaShawn McCoy and Colin Kaepernick. There you go, Walter.